Are you trying to decide between MySQL and PostgreSQL? You're not alone. Many people face this choice when setting up their databases. In this video, we'll compare these two popular database systems. Both MySQL and PostgreSQL are widely used, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. MySQL is known for its speed and ease of use. It's great for web applications and is often the go to choice for small to medium sized projects. Many developers find it simple to set up and manage. On the other hand, PostgreSQL is known for its advanced features and flexibility. It supports complex queries and is often preferred for larger applications. Its ability to handle different types of data makes it a favorite among developers who need more power. Now, let's look at the key differences. MySQL is typically faster for read heavy operations, while PostgreSQL shines when it comes to complex data handling. If you need transactions and data integrity, PostgreSQL is often the better choice. When it comes to features, MySQL has a straightforward setup and is easy to learn. PostgreSQL, however, offers advanced features like support for JSON and custom data types, making it more versatile. In terms of pricing, both are open source, so they are free to use. However, you might find paid support for both options if you need help. So, which one should you choose if you are looking for speed and simplicity? MySQL is a solid pick. If you need powerful features and flexibility, PostgreSQL is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.